What does it mean to be an advocate? What does it take to embrace a cause? Cyberchat, Episode 9, Hashtag Muslim Community of Pasig as Co-Advocates will feature a co-advocate who has taken care of children and vulnerable adults during the Marawi Siege of 2017. Let's hear her story of resilience, determination, and transformation as she embarks on a new advocacy of co-creating a safer cyberspace for children and the youth in Cyberchat Episode 9.
The World Children's Day was celebrated in Rome in a safer cyberspace.
At sasamahan ko naman kayo tungkol sa mga usaping pang-iban.
Marami din nag-participate ng mga bata, no?
And 300 adults. Malaya at nakakabatang araw po sa inyong lahat.
As a parent, talagang importante ang cyber safety because of the misinformation, fake news.
Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako si Archie Banggoy, isang SK member at youth leader mula sa Pasig City.
At ako naman po si Mia Jansen Tamion, isang senior high school student at former president of the Supreme Student Council ng McLaurin's Academy sa Pasig City. Bumabati sa lahat ng isang nakababatang araw.
Alam mo, Miel, mukhang mag-i-enjoy tayo ng husto sa episode na to.
Yes, Kuya Archie, dahil puro kwento ng Pasigueño ang ating pag-uusapan sa araw na ito sa hashtag Muslim Community of Pasig as Co-Advocates.
That's right. At dito lamang yan sa Cyberchat Season 3. Uy, Miel, ang tagal mong nawala. Huling kita ko sa'yo parang episode 2 yata yun, tama ba?
Yes, Kuya Archie. Alam mo, nung episode na yun, magkasama kami ni David doon sa hashtag Makibata, which showcase the World Children's Day celebration at the Mother of Perpetual Help Shrine sa parish of Sampaloc, Manila. Alam mo, grabe, napakadaming tao doon. Napanood mo ba yung episode na yun, Kuya Archie?
Napanood ko yun, pero dahil busy ka, ano ba pinagkakaabalahan mo?
Alam mo, Kuya Archie, napaka-busy ngayon sa school ko and especially napakahirap mag-adjust since nakaka-culture shock being transferred to a new school. Grabe, kailangan mo talaga mag-adjust, especially not just sa ACADS and of course being a class officer or a student leader. Kailangan mo talagang asikasuhin yung welfare ng mga classmates mo. And of course, alam mo ba, kanina, kakagaling ko lang sa practice namin sa performance task.
Ganun. So, busy ka sa school at syempre yung mga extracurricular activities mo. Now, I've been there. Before, student leader din ako at ganyan na ganyan yung mga experience ko noon. Pagsasabayin natin yung studies and also yung mga bagay na kailangan natin sa organization.
Yes.
No? And natatandaan ko, Miel, you attended the Cyberspace and Cyber Threats Orientation Workshop conducted by the CGPH at Barangay Pinagbuhatan. Tama ba?
Yes, Kuya Archie. At alam mo ba, doon ko rin na-meet si Tita Chi.
And doon, and as far as I know, doon ka na-discover at na-invite ka ng Pasig City Social Welfare and Development to attend the ecosystem activation conducted by the CGPH at Pasig City last November ba yun? 2023, tama?
Yes, Kuya Archie.
Okay.
Tumpak ka dyan. Alam mo ba, pagkatapos doon, nagtuloy-tuloy na. Hanggang ngayon, naging member na ako ng Cyber Guardians PH as their Cyber Youth Champion.
Wow, grabe. Iba ka talaga, Miel. The best ka. And speaker ka din noon, if I'm not mistaken, sa Pagsibol. And as, parang Pagsibol last year summit as one of the youth representative. Tama? Ikaw na talaga, grabe.
Alam mo, Kuya Archie, nakaka-overwhelm ngayong tiwala na binibigay sa akin ng CGPH. Alam mo, shout out kay Sister Mary Jan Mananzan and of course kay Father Ted and most especially kay Tita Chi. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala.
You know, Miel, deserve mo yan. And also, napanood ko din sa Facebook to, ikaw yung nag-represent ng CGPH sa PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group Angel Network Conference noong April 12 this year when the Cyber Guardians PH was formally accepted their network through a MOA signing along with other partners. Tama?
Yes, Kuya Archie.
Grabe.
Alam mo ba, I was asked to go up on stage and present the program of Cyber Guardians PH. Alam mo, being there, grabe, nakaka-nervyos talaga. Standing there with all of the partners of Angel Network and local communities, all the way up from international. Grabe, it was really an honor and a privilege to be there, Kuya.
Grabe, Mel. Deserve mo yan. And I know that the CGPH saw your unquestionable commitment to the cause and unwavering dedication to make the difference as the Cyber Youth Champion naman.
Alam mo, thank you, Kuya Archie. I hope that as a Cyber Youth Champion of CGPH, I can truly inspire my fellow youth to be a change maker and help co-create a safer cyberspace. Alam mo, itong advocacy na to para sa ating tong mga kabataan.
Yeah, that's right. And speaking of change makers, meron tayong makakasama today na fellow Pasigueño din.
And of course, just like you and me, co-member and co-advocates din natin siya sa Cyber Guardians PH.
Miel, at kung matatandaan mo, nagkakilala na tayo at nagsama-sama na tayo in past activities ng CGPH.
Yes, Kuya Archie. Pero bago natin sila ipakilala, let us pause muna and recall when and where we met her.
Yeah, let's pause. Kaya, huwag kayong aalis. Kami po ay magbabalik.